That's good chicken. Hi, welcome back to King's Plate Cooking, where today we're doing smoked chicken on our Pit Boss electric smoker. We're going to turn this into this. We have a great video for you today. Can't wait for you to see everything that we're doing. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and as always, smash that like button for us, and let's get into it.
Whenever you're cooking chicken breast, you'll see that the breast has this thick side that then tapers off. What we want to do here is flatten out the breast to ensure an even cooking time, and it's going to prevent any of the meat from getting dry. To do this, we're going to use a bacon press to flatten out that thick section. You can use a mallet, a rolling pin, a skillet, or even a beer can. Really anything that is going to let you smash out that chicken nice and flat. Doing this won't just let the meat cook evenly, it'll also tenderize that chicken. You can see here how nice, even the chicken is. And now that's all flattened out, let's get them cleaned up. Right here, we're going to just trim off all the little extra pieces on the edge, square them up a little bit, and really just ensure that they're cooking evenly. Now that we've got the chicken all cleaned up, the next step is to hit it with that seasoning. Today we're using the Pit Boss Champion Chicken. It's a really great tasting poultry rub, nice flavors of onion, garlic, and salt. It's going to work really well with today's cook. We're hitting it with a nice coating and then just pressing it into the meat, not anything special, and then going back over any of the spots that we might have missed. And as always, whenever you're cooking meat, make sure you're hitting both sides with that seasoning. You don't want to miss out on any of that flavor. Just look at that, that's going to be good. And that's the Pit Boss Champion Chicken. Now it's time to fill up the hopper with some wood pellets. Today we're using the Pit Boss apple. It's going to give it a nice sweet flavor that's not going to overpower that rub that we've used. I'm going to load up here with about 2 handfuls and let that smoke just roll. Now it's time to get the chicken onto the smoker, and ooh, look at that smoke pouring out. Applewood's doing its work already. So we've got this smoker set at 250. We're going to let this chicken ride for about 40 minutes, maybe up to an hour, until an internal temperature of about 160. But then we're going to hit it with some barbecue sauce. It might take a little bit longer depending on the thickness of the chicken. Man, this is going to be a good cook. Now we're hitting that 160 temp here. So we're going to hit it with some barbecue sauce. You can use any sauce that you like. You can already see that applewood smoke bringing out that red color onto the chicken. Just lather up nice and good here. Once we've hit each of the pieces with the barbecue sauce, we're going to let it cook for about 5-10 more minutes. Let the sauce get nice and sticky and the chicken finish out cooking. Alright, our chicken here is done. It's time to slice it up and take a look at it. Ooh. Look how good that chicken looks. Let's get us a bite.
That's good chicken. That's a real good chicken. A+. Thank you all for watching this with us today. We'll see you next time.